Before we string the cables to our rear derailleur, we want to make sure that it's in line with our cassette. To start, we'll set the low limit adjustment screw. The low limit adjustment screw adjusts the position of the derailleur pulley with the smallest gear of your cassette. You want the center of the derailleur teeth to be in line with the outside edge, the far right side edge of the smallest gear on your cassette. If it's not in line, you can either tighten or loosen the low limit adjustment screw to move the pulleys towards the frame or away from the frame. Once you have that set, you'll want to adjust your high limit screw. The high limit screw adjusts the position of the derailleur underneath the biggest gear of your cassette. You want the center of the teeth of the derailleur to be in line with the center of the teeth of your largest gear on your cassette. The high limit adjustment screw will either allow the derailleur to move closer to the frame or restrict its motion so it only goes not as far all the way. Once that's set, you want to adjust your B limit adjustment screw. The B limit adjustment screw adjusts the height of this gear. You want about 6 millimeters between the top of this gear and the bottom of your cassette the whole way through the arc of the cassette. This is properly set, and as you can see, we have about 6 millimeters of clearance. Once these steps are complete, your derailleur is in line and ready for shifting.